Hey guys, let me show you how date overrides work. Let me click here. So what is date override? Date override is a feature that allows you to block some specific day or days in your schedule, or maybe make schedule in some specific day or days different from your main schedule without changing your main schedule. Let's imagine you have vacation. And your vacation is sometime in September, maybe last week of September and the last day of September and first week of November. Let's click apply. So it means that if you select these days with date override, it means that selected days won't be available for your clients to book you for a meeting. So these days is official your day off and your schedule will be blocked. Or let's imagine another use case. You can say that in this specific first week of November or October, sorry, your schedule will be different. So you'll be starting your day not from 9 a.m., maybe from I'd say 12 p.m. We can say this here. We can say 12 p.m. We can say until 5 p.m. Click save. And it means that in specific days, your schedule will start from 12 p.m. Maybe if your regular schedule, let me show you, if your regular schedule is from 9 a.m., but you selected a date override for specific days, it means that your clients will be available to book you only from 12 p.m. in this specific time slots. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you.